Le transport coûte trop cher, les personnes sont en misère.
When the new Quebec budget dropped, City Hall and the STM were unhappy, saying there wasn't enough money for public transit. Now there are protests across Quebec, including here in Montreal, calling for better funding. Let's see what folks have to say. So what brought you out here today?
I think it's super important to support and show the government that we need good public transportation. Just thinking about people who can't afford cars and can't afford to walk or take a bike or anything. Public transportation is a matter of social equality.
It should be financially accessible. That really means encouraging the city to introduce a social fare, which would allow people to pay according to their income. This has been introduced in Quebec City, and it's been a huge success there.
The STM now has a free pass for seniors, and this is a terrific idea. STM should continue. There's just not enough money going to public transit in order to expand it the way it needs to be expanded.
What do you think that officials and politicians are not paying enough attention to when it comes to public transit?
They're looking at public transit as something that's sort of nice to have, when in fact it's really essential.
It's a part of what we can access and how we can live a decent life in Montreal. I think cuts are coming for sure when we see the state of the system in itself, but then we see budgets from Quebec. It's not going to be pretty for sure, and I think that's also why people are gathering all around Quebec. Yeah, we deserve better as a population for sure.